Welcome to Car Beats, where today we take you on an unforgettable journey inside the groundbreaking 2026 Lexus Motorhome, a $3 million mansion on wheels that redefines what luxury travel means. Imagine a vehicle that fuses the elegance of a five-star hotel with the performance and precision engineering Lexus is famous for, all while giving you the freedom to explore the open road without ever sacrificing comfort or style. This is not just a motorhome, it is a rolling statement of innovation, craftsmanship, and pure indulgence. Picture the first moment you lay eyes on it. The exterior presence is impossible to ignore. Its sculpted body stretches more than 40 feet. Designed with Lexus's signature L-Finesse philosophy but scaled to the size of a luxury yacht on wheels. The front fascia bears the latest spindle grille design, flanked by adaptive LED matrix headlights that seem to pierce through the night like a beacon of sophistication. Polished chrome accents run along the sides, while the seamless glass panels and flush door handles create an unbroken silhouette. Even standing still, it looks like it's in motion. Every inch of the exterior has been aerodynamically tuned to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency, a remarkable achievement for a vehicle of this magnitude. Step closer and you notice the details that set this motorhome apart from anything else on the market. The paint finish is a bespoke tree, coat pearl, a deep metallic hue that shifts subtly with the light, created exclusively for Lexus flagship buyers. The 26-inch forged alloy wheels are wrapped in run, flat touring tires engineered for long-distance comfort, and an adaptive air suspension system lowers the entire vehicle when parked, giving it a planted, elegant stance while also making entry effortless. Hidden solar panels integrated into the roof charge a massive onboard battery bank, providing sustainable power for days when you want to camp off-grid without starting the generator. The keyless entry system senses your approach and silently deploys a set of illuminated steps. The moment the doors glide open, you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a private penthouse than an RV. Lexus partnered with world-renowned interior designers to craft a space where Japanese artistry meets modern technology. The flooring is hand-laid herringbone oak sourced from sustainable forests. Plush leather surfaces are stitched with precision, using the Takumi craftsmanship Lexus is known for, and the ambient lighting can shift through a full spectrum of colors to match your mood or the time of day. At the heart of the living area is a spacious lounge featuring a curved sofa upholstered in semi-aniline leather, perfectly contoured for both conversation and relaxation. A hidden 80-inch 8K OLED television rises silently from the side console at the touch of a button, paired with an audiophile, Grademark Levinson 3D surround system that fills the cabin with concert hall clarity. Large panoramic windows equipped with electro-chromic dimming technology let you control privacy and sunlight with a single gesture. Even the climate is finely tuned with a 4-zone intelligent system that remembers individual temperature preferences for each passenger. Move toward the gourmet kitchen, and you'll find a culinary space worthy of a celebrity chef. The countertops are cut from a single slab of Italian marble, resistant to heat and scratches. State-of-the-art induction cooktops, a full-size smart refrigerator, dual convection ovens, and a built-in espresso machine transform road trips into culinary adventures. Voice-activated controls mean you can preheat the oven or adjust lighting without lifting a finger. Integrated storage solutions ensure every utensil, plate, and glass has its own secure place, preventing rattles or movement even on winding mountain roads. The bathroom is nothing short of spa-like. Heated marble floors, a rainfall shower with customizable water pressure and aroma therapy settings, and a vanity illuminated by natural tone LEDs create an atmosphere of indulgence. Lexus even includes a Japanese soaking tub crafted from hinoki wood, filling automatically to your preferred depth and temperature for the perfect end to a long day of travel. As you move to the master suite, the experience reaches a new level. The king-size bed features a memory, foam and gel hybrid mattress designed for zero-gravity comfort. Surrounding you are handcrafted walnut panels with inlaid mother-of-pearl accents. With a single touch, the windows can transition from crystal clear to total blackout, while the ceiling projects a starlit sky courtesy of a fiber optic array. Hidden compartments provide ample storage for luggage and valuables, secured by biometric locks. A private 65-inch display and personal audio zone mean you can enjoy entertainment without disturbing anyone else in the motorhome. Technology runs throughout this mansion on wheels. A central AI assistant, Powered by Lexus's next-generation interface, responds to natural voice commands to control everything from lighting and climate to route planning and entertainment. Facial recognition cameras ensure that every family member's preferences, favorite music, seat settings, lighting, are remembered and automatically adjusted. The motorhome even monitors your wellness, tracking heart rate and stress levels, and can suggest a break, dim the lights, or play calming music when needed. But this Lexus is not just about luxury. It's built to move with grace and authority. Underneath the elegant exterior lies a hybrid powertrain derived from the Lexus LS flagship sedan. A 5.0-liter V8 works in harmony with dual electric motors to produce a combined 700 horsepower, effortlessly propelling this colossal vehicle with surprising agility. The advanced e-CVT transmission delivers seamless acceleration, while the all-wheel drive system ensures stability on any terrain. Despite its size, the adaptive suspension reads the road 1,000 times per second, ironing out bumps and delivering a ride so smooth you might forget you're on the highway. Range anxiety is a thing of the past thanks to a massive hydrogen-ready battery pack that allows for up to 600 miles of electric-assisted cruising, with rapid charging that can replenish 80% in just 30 minutes. A regenerative braking system captures energy on descents, and an optional solar roof upgrade can add an extra 50 miles of range on sunny days. For those who demand performance, a sport mode sharpens throttle response and tightens suspension, giving the driver an unexpected thrill for something of this scale. Driving is made easier and safer with a suite of next-level autonomous features. Lexus's Level 4 autonomous system allows for hands-free highway cruising, intelligent lane changes, and adaptive speed management. High-definition LiDAR and radar sensors provide a 360-degree shield, detecting obstacles far beyond human capability. Parking this massive home is effortless with the automated self-parking function, which can guide the motorhome into tight spots